Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern architectural masterpiece integrated into a lush forest setting, showcasing a multi-level house with expansive glass windows and wooden accents. The structure appears to blend seamlessly with its environment, featuring a rooftop garden filled with greenery and vibrant plants. The scene is set during twilight, emphasizing warm, inviting golden lights glowing from within the house, contrasting with the cooler, darker tones of the surrounding foliage. The overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, highlighting textures of stone, wood, and glass, along with a rich color palette of deep greens, earthy browns, and soft yellows. A modern, eco-friendly house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a flat roof adorned with solar panels and a vibrant rooftop garden. The house has large glass windows and wooden accents, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The exterior is a mix of dark and light wood, contrasting beautifully with the green plants cascading over the edges. The scene is set during golden hour, casting a soft glow on the wooden deck and highlighting the textures of the plants. The setting is urban yet tranquil, with the house seamlessly blending into its surroundings. Modern eco-friendly house with a green rooftop, surrounded by lush landscaping in autumn. The setting features trees with vibrant yellow and orange leaves, creating a warm contrast against the sleek black and gray exterior of the house. Large glass windows provide a view into the warmly lit interior, emphasizing a cozy atmosphere. The deck is adorned with potted plants and natural stone accents, blending seamlessly into the manicured lawn. The overall aesthetic is a mix of modern design and nature, with a focus on harmony and sustainability. Cozy urban balcony scene, featuring a large, L-shaped sofa adorned with colorful cushions in vibrant shades of purple and orange, surrounded by lush greenery in terracotta pots. A richly patterned vintage rug in hues of purple, blue, and gold covers the wooden floor, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The backdrop showcases a panoramic city skyline under a partly cloudy sky, providing a contrast between natural elements and urban architecture. Cozy urban balcony scene, featuring a large, L-shaped sofa adorned with colorful cushions in vibrant shades of purple and orange, surrounded by lush greenery in terracotta pots. A richly patterned vintage rug in hues of purple, blue, and gold covers the wooden floor, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The backdrop showcases a panoramic city skyline under a partly cloudy sky, providing a contrast between natural elements and urban architecture. Modern architectural masterpiece, a house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a sleek black facade and expansive glass walls that reflect warm golden light from the interior. The structure sits in a vibrant urban setting, elevated with a rooftop garden overflowing with diverse plants and flowers. Soft ambient lighting creates a cozy atmosphere within, while the surrounding landscape includes well-maintained grass and additional potted plants. A modern two-story house with a sleek design, featuring an exterior covered in vibrant vertical gardens, showcasing a variety of lush green plants and colorful flowers. The structure is made of dark gray concrete, with large glass windows allowing natural light to flood the interior. The surrounding garden is well maintained, with a wooden deck leading to a serene water feature reflecting the house. The setting is bathed in warm golden light from the sunset, casting soft shadows and creating a tranquil ambience. Luxurious modern balcony with a stunning city skyline view, the scene is hyperrealistic, showcasing an inviting outdoor lounge area adorned with plush, neutral-toned cushions on stylish wicker furniture. Large potted plants add a touch of greenery, while a cozy circular ottoman in shades of black and orange serves as a focal point. The wooden deck has a soft, textured rug beneath a round coffee table that holds decorative items. Bright, natural light floods the space, creating a vibrant atmosphere under a clear blue sky dotted with fluffy white clouds. Modern rooftop apartment with an open, luxurious design, featuring expansive glass walls and a striking cantilevered structure. The setting showcases a breathtaking urban skyline during twilight, with soft, dimming city lights in the background and a colorful sunset illuminating the sky in shades of orange, pink, and purple. The scene is rich with greenery, including potted plants and grasses adorning the terraces, blending nature with architecture. A serene outdoor living space, showcasing a cozy hammock gently swaying between two trees, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant orange flowers, set in a modern design aesthetic. The background features a contemporary glass wall, revealing a stylish indoor seating area with plush cushions, warm wooden accents, and soft ambient lighting.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.